How far and high can your drone fly? The answer lies in its battery. Here at GPR POWER's Super Battery Factory, we have a daily production capacity of 1 million Ah. Discover the making of premium drone batteries. The process begins with ingredient preparation. The anode and cathode materials are precisely batched by zone. Then vacuum mixing, forming the core, energy slurry. Next, coating begins. Anode slurry on aluminum foil, cathode slurry on copper foil. This uniform, ultra-thin layer, known as the battery's first skin, directly defines energy density and consistency. Then, rolling compresses the electrode sheets. The roller press compacts the electrodes to a specific thickness and density, creating a compact internal structure for higher energy density and enhanced performance stability. Cells take shape through stacking. This is the stacking process. Like stacking blocks, layers of anode electrode, separator and cathode electrode are stacked together. Lower resistance, better performance, longer life. The top choice for premium drone batteries. Welding comes next. Automated ultrasonic welding instantly welds multiple tabs as one. This ensures secure connection, minimal resistance, and uninterrupted power for intense drone flights. Electrolyte injection brings the cell to life. In a vacuum, precisely measured electrolyte is injected into the thoroughly dried cell, creating a highway for lithium ions to move freely. Why are new batteries always charged? The secret is formation and aging. In Heng Hui's formation workshop, batteries receive initial activation charging, forming a stable safe film. Then in the aging workshop, they undergo multiple discharge tests to select cells with consistent performance. Only uniform cells can be paired, the key to durable and safe batteries. Finally, qualified cells are assembled into modules. After arrangement and welding, a high-performance drone battery is born. Ready to power your next UAV project? Partner with GPR Power for reliable, high-performance battery solutions.